octopus here. It has not one, not two, but 3 hearts. Yes, you heard me right, and is an actual true blue blood. Imagine if we also had 3 hearts. Well, thankfully, we just have one. And let's learn more about it. Anatomy of the heart. Heart is located inside the rib cage, situated behind the sternum, between the lungs. It remains enclosed in a double-walled sac called the pericardium. It has an outer fibrous layer and an inner serous layer. Between these 2 layers is a very narrow space called the pericardial cavity, which is filled with the pericardial fluid. The heart looks like a blunt cone, 12 centimeters in length and 9 centimeters in width at the broadest point. Its narrow apex is directed downwards, inclined to the left. There is a transverse groove called the coronary sulcus. Here we find the coronary artery through which the heart muscles receive blood. The right atrium receives the deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body except the lungs through the superior and inferior vena cava. The pulmonary vein brings oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left atrium. If we see the internal view of the heart, we see 2 upper thin-walled atria and 2 lower thick-walled ventricles. The right and the left atria pump the blood in the right and the left ventricles respectively. From the right ventricle arises a pulmonary artery which carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs, while the left ventricle has an ascending aorta which supplies oxygenated blood to all parts of the body. The 2 atria are separated by the interatrial septum and the ventricles are separated by the interventricular septum. The wall of the heart is made up of special types of muscles called cardiac muscles. These muscles branch out and cross-connect each other to form a complex net-like arrangement.